Okay, so Mia gets to make an appearance for the last video, because this is the last lesson. She made an appearance on the first video. She gets to make an appearance on the last video. Can you tell everyone good luck on their tests? Huh? Good luck on the school year? Yeah? Okay, sounds good. Oh, thank you. All right, we are on 13.8. It is a long lesson, only because we have to do a lot on here. Okay, so we're talking about soup prices, and I've put them in order from least to greatest. It wants to know the mean. How do we find mean? We add them all up and we divide by how many there are. That will be 32. That will be 36. If I add that to it, it will be 38. If I add that to it, it will be 19 to 36 is 55. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 and 3 and 5 is 9. I have 93 divided by how many observations there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fits into 9 one time with 3 left over. 6 fits into 33 5 times with 3 6 left over. Also, I can reduce this to 1/2. So the average, or the mean, is 15 1/2. Okay, getting rid of all this math because I really don't need it for the rest of those questions. The next one is to do a dot plot. The very first thing I need to do on dot plots is to put a dot on the lowest number and the highest number. Lowest number is 6, highest number is 19. I need to find the median, which is the middle. I'm left with 2 in the middle. I know that 17 is right in the middle of 16 and 18. If you don't know what's right in the middle, you need to add these two together and divide by 2. My median is going to be 17. I need to draw a line at 17. And then I need to find my upper quartile and my lower quartile. My median was 17. I draw a line there. This is what is confusing to people because they're saying, well, this is the upper quartile because it's on top. I was like, yes, but if you rotate this sideways, kind of like this number line, these are lower numbers, okay? And the lower numbers are going to be the lower quartile. So to find this, I have to add them together. 32, 38 divided by 3, because there are 3 observations. 3 fits into 3 one time with nothing left over. 3 fits into 8 2 times. Oh goodness. With 2 left over, so I'd have 12 2/3. 12 2/3, put a dot. And I want to keep this in a safe place so I don't lose it. Because down here where I asked for the interquartile range, I'm going to need it. Okay, now I have to add these two together. 36 plus the 19, which is going to be 55, divided by how many observations there are. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 fits into 5 just once with 2 left over. 3 fits into 25 8 times with 1 left over, and that's going to be your denominator. 18 1/3. Whew, those are close together. I'm going to keep this in a safe place because I'm going to need it later. Now I need to finish this dot plot, or box and whisker, whatever you want to call it. Connect the lower 2 dots, connect the upper 2 dots, and then put a rectangle connecting the 2 interquartile dots. All right, now we can answer question number 4 and then question number 5. Question number 4 is asking for the range. You take your highest number, 19, take your lowest number, 6, and you subtract them, you get 13. My range is 13. My interquartile range is taking your top interquartile and your lower interquartile and subtracting those. So it would be 18 1/3 minus 12 2/3. Well, guess what? I cannot take this 2/3 away from 1/3. So I'm going to do some borrowing. I'm going to take this down to 17, and I'm going to add 3 to that 1 that was just there, so it's now 4/3. 17 minus 12 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2/3. So 5 2/3 is my interquartile range. Okay, that was just culminating everything that we have been learning so far. Okay, you're gonna need this because you have a test the next day. Okay, so going to your worksheet, the front, you have to do all of it. I think it's like one question. On the back, you only have to do 1 and 2. However, it's asking you for student heights in inches. Okay, these are my students that I chose. These are the inches that I assigned them. So just base all of your problems on 1 and 2 based on these 7 students and these heights. Okay, have an amazing day. See you later.